Welcome to 37 Seaway Lane. We are in Windjammer Village, which is a well-kept development, including a pool. This home has a ramp coming up to it, room for 2 cars to park on the end, and as you saw when we started, a very nice deck for entertaining. As we enter the home, you'll notice there's a very large great room. Lots of light coming into the room. Open concept with the kitchen off to the right. And off to the left we have our master suite. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, double-wide manufactured home. This room has plenty of room for any size bed you would like to put in this room. Light coming in, walk-in closet, and as we come into the bathroom, we have to our right the shower, and this is a nice step-in shower coming into the bathroom. It's a very large bathroom. We have a linen closet next to the shower, our toilet, a very nice sunken tub, sink with cabinetry, very nice master suite bath. And as we come back out into the room, give you one more look at that coming in to the bathroom before we leave this room and come back out to the kitchen area. Plenty of room for a large table. Nice lighting coming in. Lots of cabinetry in the kitchen. Love the cutout going into the kitchen, into the dinette area. And then we have a large laundry room. Area to hang your clothes. A closet to store any essentials you might have. And a back door going out onto a stoop, heading out of the manufactured home. As we come back through the kitchen, one more pan of that kitchen, and then to show you that when you're not using your laundry, it looks like a pantry. That would be the door going into that large laundry room. Off to our left from the kitchen, we have 2 more bedrooms, so we have a split bedroom plan. Our first bedroom, and yet another bedroom. And these bedrooms have very nice sized closets to them as well. And then as we come back out of those 2 bedrooms, they share this bathroom. Very nice bathroom. This home could be yours today. Just call us and make this your beach oasis, just 1.5 miles from the beach, and centrally located close to everything, restaurants, shopping, and more. So why not call us today?